Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install apps in laptop. Now to download any apps, you can head over to the Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft Store, here and simply open it. Now from here, you can download and install any apps that are available on the Microsoft Store. For example, I'm going to download and install Netflix. After you open up the application, click on Get. After you click on Get, it will start to download on your device. After the download is complete, you can simply open it up. Now, as you can see, Netflix has now been downloaded and installed in my laptop. You can do the similar with any other apps available on the Microsoft Store.